The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
Latanya Pierce and her mother didn't want to feed me. You didn't come to feed me, so I shame you. I shame you.
Alright viewers, subscribers, my name is seriousskilla. I am here again, big up and respect to each and everyone. Now in this video, I'm presenting to you a video that is out on social media that shows a person who goes by the name of DJ Magnum on social media, and he said some things in this video that gave me the understanding that he's saying that two females who are said to be mother and daughter send a demon on him. You get me? That's the understanding that I get from some of the things that he had said in the video that I am presenting to you in this video. You understand me? Now I just presented a piece of that video to you. You know, I'm going to present the entire piece of video that I saw on social media. Alright? You can have a look at it and tell me what you think. And after I present this video to you, then we're going to talk a little bit more about it. Alright? So here is the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Social media. This is not Magnum talking to y'all, you know. This is Dorel Kester Romeo talking to y'all. I'm going through something right now what is not a laughing matter. A serious thing. Here what I going through. In the night, it's problem for sleep. Last night for the first time. See people is talk about Obeah and them thing, it's not real and Baku and them thing. For the first time, I see a Baku. God above me. You ever tell you? Latanya Pierce. Latanya Pierce. You and your mother. Y'all send this Baku, you know, and this snake. People, anybody, yaga. Guy moving up like a snake. You're waiting for the new moon. Because a Magnum supposed to run mad. Magnum supposed to do things what he ain't supposed to do. So when I do it, you know, people gonna say, I know the boy what I run off. But people, they never know it's not me. You know how long this thing there for me, people? Like these people buy this thing as a child and put it now it start grow. As the moon change, it said guy in. Well, I tell you, Latanya Pierce, you and your mother, y'all waiting for the moon change. Remember, it's God control the moon, you know. Don't play with me, you know. People right now, me put in shame, I need help. Anybody know a church, pastor? Right now, these people just cloud up everywhere for me. If 20 people want to link up and say, Magnum, me and my church coming by you and trample every demon. Watch when the snake jump out of me, who gonna punish? Watch who gonna punish, I know he's not a madman. Imagine I can't sleep night time. Because I saw this girl set it and just die in a car and peeping and peeping and peeping. No. I'm going to talk something social media. I'm going to talk something now. You what tell y'all? It's not a madman. I can't just what I'm saying. Y'all know why the tomb broke the other day? Y'all know why? The tomb break because Latanya Pierce and her mother didn't want to feed me.
No.
You didn't come to feed me, so I shame you.
See if
I shame you. God got life for me, you know. Yo, you see this thing with that for me? By this weekend, the blood of Jesus, I plead. I tell it every night, come out of me body. My body belongs to the Most High, you know. Ask Raven, and every man wrong me, you know. And I'm mad me I run mad, you know, people. And the demon where them send, you know. Anybody who can help me, anyhow. Because like how I can go up on social media and cause selector. Me I beg you for help, because I need it right now. Because to make me can't sleep. And this is what I'm going to tell you. Take me upon a church and watch when the snake come out or the Baku come out. Watch who is going to get exposed. Don't play with God. Latanya Pierce, you and your mama go collect back on the back and change on your life. Okay then. Alright.
Viewers, subscribers, and I real though, this don't sound safe. You understand me? This person, says some things that gives me the understanding that he's asking for help. You see? Now, let me say this, viewers and subscribers, because first of all, me is the kind of person, I am a logical person. You understand? A lot of times when we talk, you have persons out there who say, Dancehall skiller, because go through certain things, why you say certain things. But let me say this now, you see? I'm not saying that this person is lying, and I'm not saying that this person don't know what he's talking about. So what I'm saying to you, the only thing is that when it comes down to Obeah and witchcraft, you see, because I have never seen demons and I've never seen Obeah or witchcraft work in front of me before. I've never seen these things. You see me? So to me, I don't have the hard proof where me can say, yes, me see this happen before. So me can say, yes, that happened. No, I've never seen these things. You understand me? The only evidence I have, you see me, and this evidence is by faith. You see me, and that's some of the words that have been said in the Bible. You see me, or you can say the Bible, because the Bible talk about miracles and so forth. You see me, but for my own two eyes, I have never seen these things happen for myself before. You see me? Someone of age tell me a story some time ago. You see me? I don't know if I did mention this in other videos that I did before. You see me? But I'm going to say this again. I don't know how true this story be. The person tell me, but however, this person tell me this story, trying to let me understand that sometimes I hear people bawl out and say Obeah and witchcraft and so on. Some of the time it's not Obeah and witchcraft. You understand? This person tell me a story where he said that persons go to someone's farm to steal cows. You understand? And these persons who are considered to be thieves carry water boots with them, like a couple pair of water boots, and then put the water boots on the cow. But this is the trick now, you see me? The cows facing this way, but then put the water boots where the mouth of the water boots, that's where the toes would be, then point it this way. You understand? Yeah, then point it this way. So the cows facing that way, but the water boots are pointing this way, right? And then put on 4 water boots on the feet of each cows. You understand me? I said to you. So when them done do that now, then them go on the top of the cow and ride the cows out of the farm. So therefore, when the farmer come look and see that the cows are missing, them say the footsteps. So the footsteps point that these persons enter the farm, but them don't see where the footsteps leave the farm. You see me? And because of that, according to the story the person tell me, them say a duppy thief the cow, them are rolling calf gone with the cow, them are so forth. You see me? So it's a logical thing, you see me? But even though this person tell me this story, and even though I'm not really too convinced with some of the things that have been said in the story, it might be true and it might not be true. But however, viewers and subscribers, you see me? If this story is actually true, how him know? You understand? How him know? And that me always look pan. You understand? Alright, but anyway, still, viewers and subscribers, above all of these things that I just said still, you see me? The point is that this video shows this person saying some things that gave me the understanding that he's trying to let persons on social media understand how he feels and what he's going through, and that he's asking for help. You understand me? Above all, still, viewers and subscribers, I wish nothing but the best for this person. You see me? And if the things that this person had said, if it is accurate as to how this person had said it, I hope that this person will somehow overcome this whole thing that he's talking about. You understand me? For right now, the things that this person said, I am going to consider it as allegation or allegations. You understand me? That's what I have to left it, really and truly. You see me? But anyways, You can let me know what you think about some of the things that this person had said. You can let me know what you think about the whole Obeah and witchcraft thing and them thing there. So may I say to you? Yeah, alright, so big up and respect to you, my viewers and subscribers. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Seriousskilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall.